Vasilopita, a traditional Greek dish. Vasilopita is a traditional Greek cake that is typically eaten on New Year's Day. The cake is named after Saint Basil, who was a bishop in the 4th century and is known for his acts of cha. The tradition of baking and sharing Vasilopita dates back to ancient Greece, where it was believed to bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. The cake is typically made with a SW. On New Year's Day in Greece, families and friends gather to cut and share the Vasilopita. The first slice is traditionally reserved for Saint Basil, and is then followed by slices for the aunt. In addition to its cultural significance, Vasilopita is also a delicious and festive dessert that is enjoyed throughout Greece during the holiday season. The cake is often served with a cup. In recent years, Vasilopita has also gained popularity outside of Greece, with Greek communities around the world baking and sharing the traditional cake to celebrate the new year. The preparation of Vasilopita involves several steps, including the mixing of the dough, the addition of the coin, and the baking of the cake. The dough is made with flour, sugar, yeast, egg. Before baking the cake, a coin is wrapped in foil and inserted into the dough. The cake is then baked in the oven until it is golden brown and fully cooked. Once the cake has cooled, it is R. In addition to its cultural significance, Vasilopita also has a rich history and mythology. According to legend, Saint Basil was once responsible for distributing money to the poor, but was. Vasilopita is not only a delicious dessert, but also a symbol of generosity, kindness, and community. The tradition of sharing the cake with family and friends reinforces the importance of C. In addition to the traditional recipe, there are also many variations of Vasilopita that incorporate different ingredients and flavors. Some recipes call for the addition of chocolate, nuts. Vasilopita is not only a popular dessert in Greece, but also in other parts of the world with Greek communities, such as the United States, Canada, and Australia. Many Greek Orthodox Churchy. In recent years, Vasilopita has also become popular among non-Greek communities, with many people drawn to its unique flavor and cultural significance. The cake's popularity has led to an In addition to its cultural and culinary significance, Vasilopita also represents a number of important values that are deeply ingrained in Greek society. One of these values is the important. Another value that Vasilopita represents is the importance of generosity and charity. This is reflected in the tradition of baking a coin into the cake, which symbolizes the act of giving too. Finally, Vasilopita also represents the importance of tradition and cultural heritage. The cake's long history and mythology, combined with its continued popularity and celebration, serve as. While the tradition of Vasilopita remains an important part of Greek culture, it has also evolved over time to reflect changing tastes and preferences. Today, there are many variations of th. In addition, modern technology has made it easier than ever to share the tradition of Vasilopita with loved ones who may be far away. With online ordering and shipping, it is now possible to. Despite these changes, however, the traditional values and symbolism of Vasilopita remain a central part of the celebration. Whether enjoyed in Greece or around the world, Vasilopita continue. Another interesting aspect of Vasilopita is the regional variations that exist throughout Greece. While the basic recipe remains the same, there are many different ways in which the cake is